We need to clear this section for the foundation.
All right, almost got it. I'll take this pile next.
Keep it moving, team! We're right on schedule according to these plans.
Perfect, that should be enough for the wall.
Yeah, let's get building.
We need more gray bricks on the west side. Hustle up!
Yes, sir, right away.
Keep it flowing right there. Easy now, slow it up. All right, hold it right there.
All right, bring it right up here. A little further, then you can drop the load. Excellent work, team. That section is secure. Move to the next junction.
The new tower looks amazing!
I know, and the roads are finally finished. It's much easier to get around now. Welcome, everyone! The new Lego Park is officially open!
I know. The flowers are beautiful. Can we go play on the swings later?
Welcome to the new Lego City. Now open and thriving.